Let's jump right into this explainer. We're looking at a crazy, unique way to code, programming purely in logic.
Seriously, imagine coding just by describing facts and letting the computer deduce the rest. Pretty wild, right?
Meet Prolog. It's a logic-based language with a built-in search engine that literally hunts down your answers.
Look at how simple English sentences translate directly into rock-solid Prolog facts. It's that easy. Now, for complex rules, the word if just gets swapped out for a colon and a dash.
The heads up, to play this game, you've got to follow some pretty strict syntax rules.
And hey, just like other languages, you can easily leave notes for yourself using these handy comment symbols.
So, your facts are set. Now, the real magic happens when you actually put them to work. We set what Prolog calls a goal. You just kick it off with a question mark and dash.
Found cakes? Awesome. Just hit the semicolon to keep searching for alternatives, like pickles.
Oh, and here's a quick pro tip for you. Just hit Control-D to compile your whole program.
Now watch how these simple rules scale up to solve some seriously complex relationship puzzles.
It's basically a detective. Prolog instantly cross-references traits to solve queries, like finding that perfect match.
This totally translates to real computing problems too, like finding path through tricky one-way network graphs.
It elegantly traces paths in just 2 steps, checking direct edges, then recursively exploring further connections.
When plugging in math inputs, like a circle's radius, never forget that mandatory period before pressing enter.
See, even complex math, like calculating factorials, breaks down into a super clean, step-by-step logical trace.
It's even powerful enough to sort data sets entirely through logic-based data splitting and merging. Amazing, right?
So if simple facts can run complex algorithms, what else could you build with pure logic?